Okay, make f the subject of the following formula, alright? Now you'll notice there's an f on the top and the bottom of this fraction, so we'll try and get rid of the denominator here, and if you think about it, I could get rid of the denominator by taking it up the other side, and when I take it over the other side, I do the opposite, and I've got to multiply. But you need to appreciate, when you multiply on this side, you've got to multiply all of this by the 4f, so I'm going to use a bracket to show that, okay? So ultimately I get this. So take the 4f over the other side, take it up, and I multiply. Okay, we'll multiply everything. I then want to get rid of the bracket. Okay, makes sense to do that. So expand the bracket. So I'll get, now when you multiply here, just take your time, be careful. Do the numbers first. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, and then you've got f times e, f, e, right? Or you can put ef if you want to put them in alphabetical order. It doesn't matter really. And then finally then 4f times 3 is 12f. Okay, so hopefully you could see that multiplication there. The start is the harder one, isn't it? Just times the 4 and the 2 to get 8, and then fe, and then the final one then, that's easier, isn't it? It stays as, it becomes 12, isn't it? 4 times 3 is 12, and then f on the end. That equals then 3f minus 5d. Now what you need to do then is get all the f's onto one side. Now you've got a 3f here, so let's take that over. Becomes minus 3f, and then equals to minus 5d. Okay. Now we can put these together, can't we? 8fe plus 9f, because 12f take away 3f is 9f. What we can't do, however, is add these together, because they are different terms, aren't they? That's an fe and that's an f. But what I can do to isolate f, I can appreciate here that I've got f as a common factor here. Okay, f goes into both terms. So what I could do is factorize out f, okay, take it outside the bracket, and then we have a bracket here, and we just need to work out then what am I timesing by f to get this. Well, that would be 8e, and what am I timesing by f to get 9f? Well, that would just be 9. Okay, so you can see then I factorize out the f, and I got 8e plus 9 in here equals minus 5d. And then to get f on its own, you just need to appreciate when you've got a bracket and whatever's outside, you're multiplying. So if we take it over, we end up dividing. Okay, so that'll be 8e plus 9. Right, you do the opposite of timesing and dividing, and there's our final answer.